Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you're interested in or you have some AMBI skincare complexion cleansing bar and you're wondering, how to apply it or how to use it so that it is as functional as possible. So how we're going to use this soap, and now this is a real popular soap. You can get it on Amazon. I'll actually put a link to it. It's really highly rated for improving complexion. So what we're going to do is kind of like a normal soap. We're going to turn the water on and we want to lather it up in our hands and get a nice thick lather in our hands. And once you've got a nice thick lather in your hands, you're going to put the soap bar down and you're going to apply this to your face, but you're not just going to wipe it on and wipe it off like you might do with some regular soap. What you're going to do is you're going to massage it in to your skin nice and slow using kind of oval patterns around the area of the skin that you want to clean. You want to rub it in and massage it in for 30 seconds to a minute. And once you've done that, then you can just rinse it abundantly with water, and that's all you really need to do. So I hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.